Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to adjust brightness in VLC Media Player. So firstly, open VLC Media Player or open any video with VLC Media Player. Then click on Tools. Then here click on Effects and Filters. Click on Video Effects. Check this box. Image Adjust. You can change brightness, hue, there are some more settings. So image adjust, and after that changes, check this box, then save it and close it. If you want to reset, click on Tools, Preferences and Reset. So this is the way guys you can adjust brightness in VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching.